Good morning, students. I am giving a lecture on ancient agriculture practice and with journey of Indian agriculture and its development from past to modern era. Chronology of agriculture development in India was divided into 5 parts. First, early history before 500 BC and second, Vedic period to post Mahajanpadas 1500 to 200 BC. Early Common Era to High Middle Age 200 to 1200 CE and High Middle Age to Early Modern Era 1200 to 1757 CE. Fifth is Colonial British Era 17 to 57 to 1947 CE. After this, the Republic Era was started, that is the most important for agriculture development after independence. First is early history, in which 1900 BC wheat and barley domestication in Indian subcontinents, horse, sheep and goat elephants was domesticated in animals. 8000 to 600 BC agro-pastoralization, threshing, planting crops in 2 to 6 rows, stored grain in granaries. 5000 to 4000 BC cotton cultivation, sugar, pea, dates, sesame was started. 5440 BC rice cultivation in Indus Valley civilization. 4500 BC irrigation developed, use of drainage was developed. In 3000 BC water storage system developed. 2600 BC early canal irrigation system was developed. 2500 BC animal drawn plough was evidenced by archaeological. Second was the Vedic to most Mahajanpadas, in which wheat and barley as Rabi or winter crop is identified. Jute was first cultivated and used to make ropes. Animals were worshipped in this era. People and banyan trees were worshipped as a mythological stories. 1000 to 500 BC cultivation of cereals, vegetables and fruits was started. Also meat and milk production was started in this 1000 to 500 BC. Cow dung as a manure was used or 322 to 185 BC. Modern empire categorized the soils of India in different categories. Early Common Era to High Middle Ages. In this era, Tamil people cultivated rice, sugarcane, tamarind, beans, cottons. Kalanai Dam was also built in this era on Kaveri River. Spice trade was also started to other countries. 320 to 550 CE crystallized sugar discovered at Gupta's time, and sugar refinery technology was also discovered in 647 current era. Water contribution by tank channel network to dry areas were also discovered. Late Middle Ages to early modern era, diffusion of Indian Persian irrigation technology and agri zones broadly divided into rice, wheat and millets in the India. 1556 to 605 CE, land and agriculture management techniques was also discovered, so the agriculture and land was easy to manage. Indian crops like cotton, sugar, citrus all over spread through North Africa, Spain and Middle East. Colonial British era. This was the important era for India. In this time, the Britishers invaded on the India and discovered many other things for agricultural development. Number of irrigation canals were located on the Sutlej River. Indian commercially crops got a global market. In 19th century, increased land cultivation and agricultural production. Irrigation canals network were also developed in Punjab and Narmada Valley. The agricultural prices of commodities rise to 3 times in 1870 to 1920. British engineer Thomas Brainerd and Indian guide Raja Chunangam Mudaliar 1774 firstly reported the data of agricultural production by surveying 800 villages. 1871, Government of India created a Department of revenue, agriculture and commerce, whereas in 1881 a separate department of agriculture was discovered or mentioned at Center for Finance Relief Operations. 1890, a Dr. J. A. Walker, appointed as a consulting chemist from Royal Agriculture Society, England, laid a foundation for agriculture research in India. 1892, 1903, appointment of Imperial Agriculture Chemist, Imperial Mycologist and Imperial Entomologist was introduced for a base for beginning of inducting the scientists in agriculture for research areas. 901 to 5, establishment of agriculture colleges was started at different places like Pune, Kanpur, Sabor, Nagpur, Coimbatore and Layalpur, which is now a part of Pakistan. 1905, establishment of Imperial Agriculture Research Institute at Pusa, Bihar, which is now known as IARI. In 1929, based on report of Royal Commission on Agri Recommendation 1928, ICR, Imperial Council of Agriculture Research was established. 1931 to 1947, Indian Central Tobacco Committee, Indian Central Oilseeds Committee were formed to improve the research area regarding food and other necessities. Special programs were taken to improve food and crash program. This is the era of Republic era of India after the independence 1947. Grow More Food Campaign 1940 and Integrated Production Program 1950 focused on food and cash. 1957 All India Coordinated Maize Improvement Project was initiated. And first time 5-year plans of Republic India was oriented towards agriculture development. 1963, introduction of semi-dwarf wheat varieties from Summit, Mexico was introduced to grow more wheat products for population. 1966, introduced semi-dwarf rice varieties known as TN1 and IR8 from Taiwan and Philippines. This was the first base for Green Revolution. Rent liquidation, land development, mechanization, electrification, use of chemical and fertilizer has also improved in after Republic of India. Green after the republication for improvement or other development. Yellow Revolution for oilseed plants in 1986 to 1990 was going on. Operation Flood for dairy in 1970 to 1996. Blue Revolution for fishing 1973 to 2002 was launched so that we are capable for own feeding of our country. No export was needed in this era. 1979 National Agriculture Research Program, which is known as NARD, launched by state agriculture universities. In 1998 National Agriculture Technology Projects NATP was initiated. In 2006 National Agriculture Innovative Project NAIP was launched for development of agriculture and research area of the India. Thank you.